again. So today we're gonna do a mini brake pads, back brake pads. So first I'm gonna do one, so we're just gonna do it like how easy it is. So let's do it. So normal procedure. First, remove the reservoir cover. So first we're gonna jack up the car, then take off the wheel. Then we're gonna go ahead and remove the wheel.
So the brake disc is still okay.
Yeah.
The brake pad.
So that is the brake disc and pads caliper. So we're just gonna remove it and put in the new one. So to pull off this caliper, all you need is all-in key. I think this one is 7, not sure, because my tool's number is rubbing off. So all we need is this and a ratchet angle, and we're good to go. That ratchet is not working out, so change that ratchet and get a different one that's work. So now we're gonna remove the clip. One is working fine and one is not, so figure out a way to get it move. So this is the old one, almost end, and here's the new one. So you can see the difference between the old and new. So
Definitely,
let's get them clean up and put them back.
Fixed.
So now we're gonna try and get in the piston. So all we have to do is just wind it till it get right in. So piston is in.
So that's the piston.
Yeah. So now we're gonna put in the pads and fit up back. So to get in this brake pads, you have to slip it between the piston. It carry a groove where you just set it in, then it clip is in. Good to go. So the sensor is back in and the bolt is tightened. So now it's just to put on the dust cover back, and it carried two, one down there and one up here. So after you finish that, put on back the wheel, pump up the brake, and you're good to go. So that is how you change or wear this pad and the Mini Cooper. So that is how you do the rear brake and the Mini Cooper. So please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel for more video like this. I'm out.